Hello ka self-drive. So, ilang beses ka na bang na-cancelan ng booking dahil sobrang taas ng nabigay mong quotation sa customer? Or ilang beses ka na bang nalugi dahil nag-underprice ka sa quotation dahil hindi mo alam kung paano perpresyuhan ang inyong mga sasakyan? So, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-alala dahil ngayon, meron na rin tayong calculator dito sa AutoGuard Pro. Madali lang siya gamitin. So, kung ano yung gagamitin na sasakyan ng customer nyo, piliin nyo lang. So, let's say sedan. And then, kung ilang araw nila gagamitin, so kung 3 araw, just put there 3, and then automatic guys, mag-a-apply na rin dyan yung discount na 3 days and up. So kung 30 days, they will get a bigger discount. And then for the location, of course, kung saan located si customer or kung saan i-deliver yung sasakyan. So for example, si customer natin ay taga Bacoor, Cavite. So type lang natin dito Bacoor, Cavite. And then kung meron tayong delivery or pull-out charge, lagay na rin natin dito. So, for example, 500 ang delivery and pull-out natin. Let's put 500 there. And lagay na rin natin kung saan ang destination ng customer. So, this is always the farthest destination. So, kung Baguio ang destination nila, let's just put Baguio there. And then, just hit calculate. And then, it's going to show you the total cost for 3 days of rent. So, makikita nyo dito yung base price ng sedan is 2,000 per day, and kung 3 days, that's going to be 6,000 pesos less the 5% discount. So, magiging 5,700 na lang. However, since ito ay provincial trip, meron siyang outside city driving charge na 5,085 pesos plus the delivery and pull-out fee of 500 pesos. So, meron tayong, or ang sisingilin natin ngayon sa customer ay 11,285 pesos. So, ganun lang kadali mag-compute ng rate dito sa AutoGuard Pro. Now, for example, ito yung medyo mas magiging technical. Kahit sa mga medyo matatagal na sa car rental industry, nalilito sila kung paano pepresyuhan pag all-in. So, madali lang yan. So, tanggalin muna natin ang delivery and pull-out charge. And then, maglagay tayo ngayon ng driver fee. So, for example, ang charge natin sa driver fee is 1,500 pesos per 24 hours. Then, fill up lang natin magkano ba yung average fuel para sa ating sedan. So, ngayon, it's currently 100 pesos dahil napakamahal ng gas ngayon. And then, for the toll gate, ito isa rin sa nakakalito ito. No need to identify yung exact entry at exit point. Just hit the auto-detect toll. Then, it's going to show you the back and forth toll gates na dadaanan. At the same time, kung magkano yung round trip na fee para sa RFID. And then, just check here the include driver fee and then hit calculate again. And then, it's going to show you the total all-in price, including the car, the driver, the toll, and the fuel cost as well. At ang kagandahan dito, hindi ka na malulugi. So, ang sisingilin natin, if ever na all-in, going to Baguio for 3 days is 22,748. Pwede mo naman itong i-round off. So, ganito lang kadali guys ang pagko-compute ng charge when you're using AutoGuard Pro.